Hello and welcome to Direct Order powered by SalesLitre. This is our login page. Please enter your username and password, then click Login. This is our Transfers List page. It can be accessed by clicking on Transfers and List. On this page, it will list all of your active transfers in the system. You will notice up top here in this gray area, this is our filtering options. We can filter through active and inactive transfers, different statuses of our transfers, the warehouses in which the transfers are placed in, along with start dates and end dates. Once we've made any changes to these filters, we must click Set Filter in order for the changes to take place. You will see that some of our headers have little arrows next to them. This means that they are clickable and sortable. They will sort either numerically or alphabetically. On the right-hand side, you will see the different statuses of our transfers. We have highlighted in pink, entered, which means you have entered the transfer into our system. We have orange and shipped, which means that the product has left your production facility and is now en route to its end destination. And we have green and arrived, which means your product has arrived at our warehouse and we have now received it and the inventory is now live. We can click on the Details button over here on the right-hand side to open up a snapshot of that transfer. It will detail the product that we are sending, its SKU, units, and cases, along with any logged actions like who has created the transfer. Next to Details, we will find this down arrow. It will give us options to edit the transfer or delete the transfer if it is still in the entered status. It will also give us the option to mark the transfer as shipped once it has left your production facility. You can click on the print button down below, which will download a PDF copy of that transfer, which looks like this, which you can keep on file for your reference. Using this search option here, you are able to narrow down the results on this page. We can type things in like transfer ID, SKU numbers, or even keywords like IPA or pale ale to narrow down the results on this page. To add a transfer into the system, we're going to want to click on the Transfers button and Add. This will take you to Add Transfer page. The first field will be date. Let's leave that as is, the date we are entering the transfer into the system. Our source warehouse will be production. You are creating inventory to send to a direct tap warehouse. Destination warehouse is the end destination for that product. We do have to enter a comment in the comment section, so please enter the brewery, winery, or cidery's name here along with the date. If you require direct tap to pick up product from a production facility, please click on the pickup flag here. If the transfer has been entered after our cutoff time, please click on Rush. A rush charge will be applied to that transfer. Below is where you will see your product list. This is where we will be entering the products that we wish to ship to a direct tap warehouse. Remember that it's always quantity in units. Over on the right-hand side under Transfer Details, you will see the conversion of units to cases. Once you have all of your information entered correctly into the system, please click on Save Transfer to save the transfer to our list. You will now see the transfer that you have just entered into the system at the top of our list. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on Direct Order powered by SalesLitre. If you require additional support, please visit the link in the description of the video below to take you to our support page.